Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Garageband and selecting a ringtone or empty project. This sets the 30-second export target. Next, import your audio or record directly, trim aggressively to keep the hook. Use the cycle region to isolate the exact segment and add small fades so the ringtone doesn't click at the ends. Once the clip sits where you want, make sure levels are balanced. Avoid clipping and keep peak gain below 0 dB to preserve clarity. Now refine the selected segment, split, move, and delete regions until the timing feels natural. Apply EQ to carve frequency conflicts, use light compression to smooth dynamics, and add a limiter to prevent overload during loud hits. Once done, normalize the region and listen through headphones. This reveals harsh highs or weak lows. Make sure transitions are seamless and the ear-catching part plays within 30 seconds. If it still sounds flat, tweak EQ or transient shaping and preview again. Finish by choosing Share, then Ringtone to export as an M4R file. Garageband will prompt to send it to your connected iPhone via Finder or iTunes. If it refuses to import, confirm the file is 30 seconds or shorter and not DRM protected. If you hear dropouts, inspect automation lanes for accidental mutes and re-export at a higher bitrate. Make sure the limiter and export settings aren't overcompressing. One key tip: if it won't sync, resave the project and restart both Garageband and your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.